So come on. Oh, it's crumbly. It's too warm still. We're in. Are we ready? Oh, look in there. All our crystallized ginger. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing ginger and rum cakes. Now we are making individual cakes. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Instead of one big cake, we're going to make a few little cakes. And they're ideal for giveaways or just eating, you know. Now I've got these little loaf tins. So quick to come together, as per usual with the baking. Flour in here, baking soda, baking powder, little mix. I've got ginger and I've got mixed spice. Link on the channel for mixed spice. Salt, a little bit of salt in there. Give that a mix in. That's our dry mix done. Easy as that. Nice and steady. Now we can turn our attention to the wet mix. Now for this recipe I am using crystallized ginger. Okay, and what I've done, as you can see, I've run a knife over it and chopped it up small. Delicious. Okay, I've got sugar and butter in here. I'm going to give that a little mix. So all you do is just beat up your sugar and your butter. Now if it goes creamy, that's fine. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. That'll do. Right, we're just going to scrape that in there. Oh, don't spill my rum. We're going to just scrape that in there so we get all that sugar in there. Just give it another little mix in. Okay, we're in. Now this is a chuck it all in basically. This is black treacle. So we're just going to give that a little beat in there, just bring it in nice and gently. We're just incorporating it in, you know. Right, we want buttermilk for this. That's milk. I don't have buttermilk. This is apple cider vinegar. Going in there with about half a tablespoon. Give that a stir. Wait a couple of minutes. And we have buttermilk. Well, they say wait 5 minutes actually. So that's just delayed us. I forgot I needed buttermilk. I was just going to chuck the milk in. In there, with about a teaspoon of vanilla. We could add our rum while we're waiting. That's a good amount of rum there, look. Let's have that in. There you go, look, can you see that? It's all split, it's now buttermilk. In there. Eggs, one at a time. Give it a little quick whiz. In with our dry mix. Take your time, put it in. Just bring in the sides. Job done, we folded that in nicely. Now I do know that we have a couple of very professional bakers on this channel and I'm sure they pull their hair out when they see me making cakes. Not to worry. Right, that's our crystallized ginger. That's going in there and we're going to stir it in. Stir it all through there, see if we can get it. Now, crystallized ginger is quite sticky, so this stuff sticks together. But by mixing it in here like this, we should be able to split it up a little bit, I reckon. That'll do. Let me show you what I've done with these. It should work. What I've done, I've taken the tin. Okay, the tin's about a 5 by 2.5, somewhere around about there. And what I've done is cut some parchment paper and I've stuck that in there to line that out, and I've trimmed that off, look, as you can see. And then I've put one that way so it comes up the sides. I'm not sure if it's going to work. I'm hoping it's going to work, that it's not going to stick to these tins. So really, with that in there like that, okay, it doesn't come all the way to the top, but we're only filling this halfway. That should give us enough leeway to get the cake out. We might have to run a knife round, but come on, let's not stress over that, as long as it doesn't stick. So what we've got now, I've got 5. I've estimated that for 5 cakes. The thing is not to get too panicky about this. It's not that hard, is it, really? You can pull it all together. So what we need to be doing now is dividing that lot, and I'm not weighing it. We're going to go scoop, 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 and just put it in there, okay? Like this. In there. Probably got enough here for 4 cakes, actually. And I'm going on for the 5. Do you know, I am going to change it to 4, you know. I don't quite like what we've got going on there. I think we can take that out of there and use that into 4. You'll get to see everything on here, look. We don't hide anything. So we're going for 4 cakes now. Oh, they're looking better already. Because we want these to rise up into a little cake, you know, a little loaf. Now, if we'd have left it like that, they'd have only been about that big. Okay, we have these little cakes in here. Just give them a shufty about like that. That should do the trick. Okay, we've got these 4 little things in there. And we've got a spoon licking bowl. So you got rum in. Oh man. That is delicious. Okay, we got the oven on 170. We're going to bake these in there. Now, do we go straight on a tray? I think that will do. Me thinks. There we go. We got that like that. We got that on our tray like that. We're going to shove that in the oven for about 20-25 minutes, and we'll take a skewer and we'll stick it in. Come on. Okay, these things are coming up. They're looking tremendous. They split a little bit on the top, but not to worry. What we need to do is make a rum glaze. That's what we've got to do. So we want a couple of tablespoons of butter in there. Maybe it's a little bit more, actually. I don't mean maybe it's a little bit more than 2 tablespoons. I just don't think that that's 2 tablespoons. That is. Yes, I use big tablespoons. In there with some sugar. Lovely. Want to go in there with a little bit, probably a tablespoon of our black treacle. You can use molasses, as you know. Oh, fabulous. And we need to be going in there with a splash of rum. We're making a rum dressing. That looks about right. That'll do. Now to make up this rum glaze, get a flame on and just dissolve everything together. Don't go too hot. We don't have to scorch the heck out of it. We're trying to make a glaze that goes all over our cake. It smells very rummy. Ooh, wow, this smells good. So if you've got your sugars dissolved in there, that will do. Flame off. We've got that lovely black glaze. Right, I'm going to do another one as well, actually. I'm just going to chop up some more crystallized ginger, and we can sprinkle a little bit on the top for dressing, you know. Now this stuff is as sticky as heck. but not to worry, we'll work it out. Couple of those daubed over the top should be quite nice. We need to be testing our cake. They look smashing. In here with a skewer. Oh, come on. It's clean as a whistle. Those cakes are done. Okay, we are just going to, in fact, we should just taste two really, shouldn't we? Oh yeah. Okay, leave the cakes about 5 minutes or so. Let them cool a little minute. They might sink back in, and then we're going to drizzle our glaze all over there, and then we're going to put some of those over. There you go. Okay, so what we're going to do is drizzle some on now, and then we're going to take it out and put a little bit more on. So in there, a little bit of our glaze, and that's going to soak on the top of that cake. Cool, you can smell the rum. Okay, we got this little rack here. We're going to take these out. They're very hot at the bottom, but hopefully, there you go. Let's just put that on there to cool. Whew. Now one of these we did put the wrong way around actually. So we're just going to put them on there. They're going to cool on there for about 5 minutes, and we'll take the paper off. Have a look. Okay, and just take some of that crystallized ginger and bob on there. Should stick, but we're not guaranteeing it. Nice and steady on there, look. Come on, you know we're not waiting. You know that. Let's take that one on there. Let's move these. We have got to be in on this cake and have a look what it's like. So come on. Oh, it's crumbly. It's too warm still. We're in. Are we ready? Oh, look in there. Look in there. All our crystallized ginger. Look at that. You can see how soft, how fantastic this is. Now I want to save this because I like the crusty end, except it's not really crusty. This is a lovely soft cake. Look at that. All our ginger, crystallized ginger in there. Superb. Come on. Oh. Buttery ginger goodness. Amazing. Amazing. Rum, ginger, perfect combination. Nice buttery top. Got that crystallized ginger in there. Oh dear, that is a fantastic, fantastic cake. Love that very much. There you go, you can wrap these up as individual little cakes, little portions. What a fantastic gift. Share with everyone, you know. Really, really fantastic little gift. The flavour in there is superb. The crumb is soft, it's gentle, it's lovely. It's a superb ginger cake. So that is our ginger and rum cakes made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share. Share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make ginger and rum cakes. And if you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Oh, I'm off to go put the kettle on.